Now let's talk about the action wheel. The common misconception is to get good at anything, all we need to do is practice. In reality, there are 3 steps to learning any skill, to getting good at anything. And it's a wheel, it's a loop. You need to have the right instruction, and then you take action on that instruction, and then you get feedback on the action you took to iterate, to make changes, and you start the loop back up again. And as you go through this loop again and again and again and again, you get better and better and better and better. Something you may find interesting is that it's shown that most people doing things for a long time, they get no better doing it. In other words, someone who's been a doctor for 25 years is usually no better than that person was after 5. Or someone that's been driving for 5 years is usually no better off than they were after 2 years of driving. Because there's no loop and there's no pushing ourselves beyond our boundaries, which is where the growth and the getting better actually happens. What we want to do to take action on everything we've learned so far is use this same loop. We want to get the right instruction by going inside ourselves, and then we want to take action on that instruction as quickly as possible. And then we constantly want to be questioning and getting feedback that way, and also feedback from others to start the loop back up again.